Hey everyone, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into the Product Image Accordion widget, a unique and interactive way to display your WooCommerce products using a sleek accordion layout. It's perfect for showcasing multiple products or variations in a compact, stylish format that draws attention and encourages clicks. Ideal for landing pages, promotional sections, or featured collections, this widget helps make your store look modern and engaging. Ready to level up your product displays? Let's jump in! To start working with the Product Image Accordion widget, all you need to do is drag it from the widget panel on the left and drop it onto your Elementor editing canvas. Once placed, the widget will automatically display its default layout, giving you a ready-made structure to begin customizing immediately. In the Content panel, you'll first find the Layout section. This is where you can adjust the overall height of the images and control how much they expand when hovered over. The Item Hover Expand option lets you define exactly how much the image should grow on hover, adding a dynamic, interactive feel. You can also modify the image resolution from this section to ensure the visuals meet your preferred quality standards. Moving down, you'll come to the Query section. This is where you define which products will appear inside the accordion. Start by choosing the source of your product data, followed by setting a product limit to control how many items display. You'll also find two tabs here, Include and Exclude. In the Include tab, you have the option to manually select specific products you want to showcase. This is especially useful for highlighting featured or hand-picked items, regardless of their category or tag. Conversely, the Exclude tab allows you to hide certain products from showing up in the accordion. Even if a product fits your other filter criteria, it won't appear if it's listed here, giving you precise control over the product selection. Next, you'll find the Settings section, which is divided into three tabs: Content, Badge, and Action button. In the Content tab, toggle switches allow you to show or hide various elements, such as the product title, category, rating, and price. You can also set the appropriate HTML tags for the title and category to match your design or SEO strategy. In the Badge tab, you can control which promotional badges appear. Options include Sale, Percentage Off, Stock Status, Trending, and New. You can also set a specific number of days for how long a product is considered new. Under the Action button tab, you have full control over interaction buttons. Easily enable or disable features like Wishlist, Compare, Quick View, and Add to Cart, using simple toggle switches. Once you've completed the basic setup, it's time to fine-tune the appearance under the Style tab. Starting with the Content section, you can define the maximum width for content blocks and set custom padding. There's also an option to choose an overlay color to enhance visual layering. In the Title section, you're able to personalize the look and feel of your product titles, adjust the normal and hover colors, then dive into the typography settings where you can tweak the font, family, size, weight, style, transformation, decoration, line height, letter spacing, and even word spacing. The Category section includes both normal and hover states. Here you can customize colors, background types, borders, padding, margin, and spacing. Typography and box shadow options are also available to help match your store's branding. In the Price section, you can individually set the color for regular prices and sale prices. You can also adjust margins and apply custom typography for better visual harmony. Next, The rating section gives you control over both the default and active rating colors, so you can ensure the rating visuals align with your overall design. In the badge area, you can style the borders, set radius, add padding and margins, and control spacing. Finally, the Action Button section lets you choose a border type. Then customize the border width and color. You can also define the border radius, padding, margins, icon size, and tooltip font to match your preferred aesthetic. Within this section, there are dedicated styling tabs for wishlist, quick view, and cart buttons. Each of these provides options to customize icon colors, background colors, and border colors in their normal, hover, and active states, ensuring consistent styling across all interactive elements. And that covers the essential customization options for the Product Image Accordion widget. With this level of detail and control, you can confidently create a sleek, engaging, and highly functional product showcase tailored perfectly to your store's branding. That's it! Once you've added your products and customized the accordion layout to match your brand, demo page. The Product Image Accordion widget makes it simple to display products with smooth hover effects, responsive design, and engaging content. Whether you're showcasing featured collections or promoting limited-time offers, it's a bold way to catch customer attention and enhance your storefront. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you in the next one.